Guys, welcome to my channel. Device setup manage metadata stemming fail event ID 310 error. So guys, how to resolve? So first guys, disable metadata standing. So click to start, go to setting, click to system, scroll down about last, then click to advanced system setting, then click to hardware, then this one, device installation system, choose whether Windows installer manufacturer app, the custom icon available for the device, click to start and select not and then save changes. Okay, then apply and then okay, then close. Next method. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay. Copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third. Then last. So Microsoft online scanner, offline scanner. So click to start and type Windows security. So this one, single click to open. Then click to virus threat protections. Scan option. Scroll down Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scanner to click and then yes. And wait few seconds. The system will be sign out and then restart. Okay, after will be start scanning and detect antiviruses and temp files and all. Then it is completed, almost 91% done. Then automatic restart your system. Now this is login. Start.